Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your Twitter X settings to sensitive content. And I saw a lot of videos and they are telling you this. Alright, go to your profile, tap on settings and support, settings and privacy, go to privacy and safety, and then content you see. And then just right here there has been an option that you can change it, but I can see this option from here. What you need to do is go to your Safari and go to the web Twitter, just like this. From here, if you tap on our profile icon and then scroll down to settings and privacy, you will see the option privacy and safety. Then tap on content you see, and from here we have the option to turn on display media that may contain sensitive content. And this is exactly what you need to do. Alright, this is the function and this is where you can find this. Please share this to your friends because this is the only way how you can fix this. For now, if this was helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.